this is my second attempt here. I tried to film at my first customer there. They had 100 cases, and unfortunately the storms were so bad I couldn't really do anything other than just my job and focus on this stuff. I'm using my cell phone to film this. So anyway, rains have stopped for now, so we're good. I'm getting up to my second customer now. They're also getting about 100 cases. So hopefully this will give you kind of a good insight on what I do. Let's let this guy get out of here. About working nights is that we don't really have a whole lot of traffic that we have to deal with. A few cars here and there like that coming out of the restaurants and whatnot, but it's nice. Alright, we're arriving now. Can't bring you guys inside. I don't have any customer approval, but I'll show you the ins and outs from the outside. It's the important part anyway. What it looks like on the inside here. So I've got 1,200 cases today. This is the back. This is the front. There was a pallet here. Again, it was raining, so I couldn't do anything in regards to filming it. This pallet up here was here, and it was full of stuff all the way up. This red here is what's called the bulkhead. I'll clear this out and then I'll show you what's on the other side. That's the freezer. Everything over here is the frozen half of the trailer. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So let me put this up here real quick, or I'll put it back here, I guess. Give you guys kind of a glimpse on what I do. Get that straightened out there. show you one more thing real quick. And that is the freezer section. So this is the rest of the this customer's product here, the freezer, and then my next stop has that pallet and that pallet, and then they kind of break up all the way along. You can see back there, it's pretty foggy. Yeah, hope this kind of gave you some insight onto the job. I'm a little sloppy these first couple stops. My stacks aren't going to be big, anything like that. As you go, you'll get much bigger stacks. It's just kind of narrow. I'm 6'4", so it's kind of hard for me to maneuver in this this trailer here. But yeah,